In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a call link in WhatsApp. This is a really handy feature if you want to invite people to a voice or video call without having to start the call first or add everyone manually. Instead, you generate a special link that anyone can tap to join the call. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what each part means as we go. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you're on the main chat screen. At the top, look for the Calls tab. On most phones, you'll see Chats, Status, or Updates, and Calls. Go ahead and tap on Calls. This is where WhatsApp keeps a record of your recent calls, and it's also where the call link option lives. Once you're on the Calls screen, look for the call icon with a small link symbol, usually near the bottom right or top right corner, depending on your device. Tap on that option. This opens the Create Call Link screen. Here, you can choose the type of call you want the link to start. You'll usually see an option to select either a video call or a voice call. If you want people to see you and use their camera, choose video. If you prefer an audio-only conversation, choose voice. Take a moment to pick the one that best fits your needs, because the link will always open that type of call. After you select the call type, WhatsApp automatically generates a unique link for you. You'll see it displayed on the screen, along with options to share, copy, or send it directly inside WhatsApp. If you tap Share, you can send this link through other apps like email, messaging apps, or even save it in your notes. If you tap Copy, it places the link on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you like, such as in a group chat or on a calendar invite. You can also send the call link straight to a specific WhatsApp chat or group. Just choose the contact or group, paste, or insert the link, and send it. When people tap on that link at the scheduled time, WhatsApp will open, and they'll be able to join the call. A few quick tips before we finish. Make sure you and anyone joining have the latest version of WhatsApp installed for the smoothest experience. Also, remember that anyone who has the link can use it. So only share it with people you trust. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create a call link in WhatsApp and share it so others can join your call quickly and easily.